If you are the founder of a company or even a small business, you are sending out communications to your employees or even to your partners. Whether those communications take the form of actual letters or digital files, you need to make sure that all of the business correspondence that you send out uses a consistent and professional template. It's actually fairly straightforward to create a professional looking letterhead for your company in Microsoft Word. In this video, let's see how you can do that very quickly. A letterhead is nothing but a combination of the headings that you use at the top of your letters or business correspondence. It's actually very straightforward to create a letterhead in Microsoft Word, as I mentioned. If you've watched my comprehensive tutorial on MS Word, then you'll know that the first thing to do when you open up a Word document is to specify your page size. To do so, on the Layout menu, click the drop down under Size and choose one of the page sizes. Let's select the most common letterhead size, A4. Next, on the Layout menu, click the drop down under Margins. Make a selection that best reflects your company look. I'll choose my previous custom setting of close to 0.5 inches for all the margins. Next, it's time to start inserting your content. For instance, you'll need to add your company logo. For the purposes of this video, I'll use one of the available icons by going to Insert Icon and choose it as a logo. Let's position it to the right. Let's remove the outline if any and provide a fill color. Let's now add some more flair to our letterhead. Insert a shape from one of the available shapes. Let's choose the Terminator shape from the flowchart panel. On the context menu, remove the shape outline. For the shape fill, click on the fill color of your logo, copy its hex code and use the same code for your inserted shape. This way, the colors in your letterhead will look consistent. Copy this shape and paste it. Position it a bit to the top and give it a different color, say orange for contrast. If you find it difficult to locate the shapes in your document, then at any time you can go to the Home menu, click the drop down under Select and choose Selection Pane. On the Selection pane, you can click the objects, even give them names if you want to, and change their properties. It's time to start adding text to our letterhead. Let's choose Insert Text Box. Word gives you a bunch of pre-formatted text boxes. This one named Facet Coat seems nice and the color seems to go with our logo. So let's choose it. Let's remove the outline, add some text, and let's choose a different font, say Montserrat. Next, you can insert the date as a field by going to the Insert menu, choosing the drop-down under Quick Parts and then selecting Field. Choose one of the options under Date and position it to the right. The advantage of inserting the date as a field is that anytime you create a new document, the current date will be inserted in this position. Next, add a plain text box and add the text of your letter. You can select the text box and choose to align it to the center of your page. Finally, let's make a copy of the Facet Coat text box and position it to the bottom right to serve as our signature section. Position it so that it does not overflow the text box that we had added. And there you have it, a simple yet elegant letterhead that you can easily create in less than 5 minutes using Microsoft Word. If you like this video, be sure to check out the other videos on Microsoft Office and other products on this channel. As always, thank you for watching.